Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Yesterday morning, 6 a.m., I started watching Panama against Croatia. For copyright reason, I cannot share it with y'all, but just like y'all, I'm fully entertained by the World Cup these days. Anyway, this is why by lunchtime, I ordered Cubano sandwiches. I'll let y'all see what they look like. I even got those cakes with them, but I was so full that I barely look at them ever since. So here we have the Cubano original, the bacon sandwich, and the croissant sandwich. And immediately after eating, I went to see a movie premiere. So still from the Bali Pier, I went to SF Cinema in Terminal 21 Pattaya. Take a look at the benefits of the SF membership card, the one that I already obtained and those yet to be. For those that watch my shorts video, you already know that I came to see Supergirl. While I was waiting, I was sad to see that Sasha Calle didn't pursue a role as Supergirl, but Millie Alcock did a good job as her replacement. Y'all have seen all the movies that coming up. And even Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson make me wanna see Moana too. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate this content just like I did making it. Today I ended up resting after watching Brazil victory. So thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.